Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk delete emails in Gmail. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is my Gmail account and I already logged in on my Gmail account. Now to delete all the emails, that means the bulk emails, we just need to select all the emails together and then only we can delete those things. There are different ways to select the bulk email, I mean multiple emails together before deletion. So let's see how we can do this thing and then we can see how we can delete those things. Suppose this is my inbox, so I want to delete like first 3 emails, so I'm going to choose like this way and then we can press this delete button, it will be delete altogether. And suppose in this page like there is like 50 emails or 10 emails, whatever is there. If we want to select all of them together, I mean our plan was to delete all the emails together, so at that time we need to select all the emails. But checking this way, basically like clicking is a time consuming task. So what we need to do, we need to select all the emails all together. So at that time we can use this feature of Gmail. There is a small arrow button, down arrow, and there is a checkbox like thing. We just need to click here, and from here we just need to click the first option. So when you click there, it will bring this type of menus: all, none, read, and some other things. So to select all the emails, we just need to select it, and see here all the emails will be selected all together. Now here it is also showing select all 246 conversion in the primary. So right now in this page, basically there are 50 emails are there, but for our entered email system of Gmail, basically in my inbox in the primary folder there are 246 email. So if we want to delete every email of our email, we just need to select it here and then it will be selected everything. So now here it is showing all 246 conversations in primary are selected. Now if you want to delete, you just need to press this delete button and all the emails will be deleted. Now this is the trick, good trick, but again there is an issue. So it will delete only the email from the primary folder, but it is not going to delete all the emails from our inbox. So to delete every email from our inbox, basically what we can do, we just need to go to the all email or all mail folder. So I'm going to press this more button and it is showing all the menus over there. From here I have to choose all mail. Once I choose all mail, it will show all the emails are there. Now what we need to do, we need to come here and we need to click here and choose all. Now it will show all 50 conversation of this page are selected. So this page has 50, it is selected, it is already selected those things. And right now we have this many email on my mailbox. So to select all of them, basically we just need to click here and then all email will be selected. Now if we want to delete everything together, we just need to press the delete button and then it will be deleted. So in this way we can delete the entire email of our email box. Now how we can actually clear all the label emails. So there is one label like tap send. So this is one of the label, and here I'm seeing all the tap related emails are there. I want to remove all the tap related email. So once we are in the label, now we can click there and it will be selected all the emails. And here in this page, basically all the emails are there. It is less than 50, that's why we are not seeing anything message like 50 emails or all emails has been selected, something like that. And now once we select it, those, then we can press this delete button to delete everything. So this is one of the approach. And also we can search by email. Like for example, we want to search by email like canva.com, and if we hit enter key, then we will find all the emails related to Canva. Now to delete all the Canva email, we can also select all together by pressing this checkbox, or from this drop down we have to choose all, it will be selected, and then we can delete those things. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily delete all the emails in our Gmail. So this is one of the best trick to clean your inbox, very easy way. Thank you guys for watching the video.